I think near Swinny Misro at the Hunkin, there has some Kneecap. Near him is real Gamosum, Igmore Dini, a girl, hip hop and Yelig, and Yaron, never mind Halisassana or America. So the fact that we'll submit Dini on his goal to resonate on Dini is like fucking class.
He much what Shay, he much he's Shay shot playing on him, near a hussy much. The Buanish Suggin, Dan Lambert, Agus Dirt Much, Gromagiri, like the peak. Timothy in 3 arena yanu and Molly Clear. So Timothy Akin, so Timothy bang on track.
Agus tan really corher like fod na more crania agus éacht all war gentle of Vincenzo and Stura fashion.
Yn rhywbeth mwy hannig yma has na few team mwy there and gweld dini yw culture ha diffrula agus e gai hyn sy'n hyn sy'n character agus ffegin sy'n gweld sy'n awod yn changi socu hyn ag laki o rash.
So da sé ainmniúchán faighte so cén cyn y smó o wyl sy'n dŵl gomorla fel yn ort?
It's Gary and best British, I don't know.
Best in grammar.
Mar scannán.
The British good scannán era na best British film.
How are you glazed the mar show?
Fuck me, like best in grammar.